In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render a clean alpha matte from a Roto node. By the end, you'll have a single channel alpha file you can drop into any compositing or editing workflow with confidence. We'll start by adding a Roto node and using it to define the shapes that isolate your subject. Draw your shapes carefully around the areas you want to keep and animate them over time so they follow the motion. As you move through the timeline, adjust your points to keep edges tight and natural. If you need softer edges, apply a small feather on the shapes for a smoother blend. Take your time here. Solid roto work is what makes the rest of the process clean and professional. Next, check the alpha channel in the viewer. Press A to switch the viewer to the alpha display. In this view, white represents fully opaque areas and black represents transparency. You should see the shapes you drew as solid white against a pure black background with any feathered edges showing as soft grey transitions. If you notice any chatter, gaps, or unwanted bits showing through, go back and refine your shapes and animation until the matte reads cleanly across the shot. Once your matte looks right, add a right node and connect the Roto output directly into it. This ensures you're exporting exactly what you just checked. In the right node's properties, change the channel setting from RGBA to alpha. This tells the software to output only the alpha channel, which is ideal for delivering a lightweight focused matter without unnecessary color data. Now choose a format that supports alpha. PNG, TIFF, and XR are all solid options. PNG is a good compact choice for many use cases. TIFF offers broad compatibility, and EXR is excellent for high-end pipelines and linear workflows. Avoid formats that don't carry alpha information. Set your file path by browsing to the folder where you want to save the output and give your file a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Make sure you're saving to a location with right permissions and enough disk space. Finally, render the alpha matte. Go to the render menu and choose render all to process the full range, or render selected if you only need a subset. Let the render complete and you're done.